Welcome to Curve Nova 2, where confidence meets curves. Today we're featuring Pineda. A rising Mexican curvy model and digital creator known for her bold style and empowering message. Born and raised in Mexico, she grew up loving fashion and photography, later sharing swimwear and lifestyle photos that quickly boosted her online presence. Standing 56, with a natural 38-30-44 figure, Carolina showcases real, unfiltered beauty.